So I'm gonna start on wet hair and detangle with the Denman brush. And I'm gonna be using again a Denman brush, a comb, and my Shea Moisture smoothie for curls. So basically I'm just gonna open the Shea Moisture and apply it to all of my hair and brush down and make sure my curls are really popping with the Denman brush. Once I'm done that, I'm simply gonna remove all the excess of product with a microfiber towel. Basically, that's just gonna make sure I have enough product in my hair, but not too much. Then I'm gonna part the front of my hair, so for the 2 braids basically, and then I'm gonna start braiding. So this is a really quick hairstyle. And then I'm simply for now just let it dry. I had to go to class this day, so I just went to class and then
2 hours later.
add some little hair jewelry just to make the look even more classier. So I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video.